Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you a really exciting update in HubSpot that is going to remove a lot of unnecessary work, a lot of unnecessary headache when it comes to calculating relative dates. So this is really impactful if you're doing things like renewal workflows or renewal management, where you want to have a days until your renewal date and then automate a bunch of stuff, run different playbooks based on time relative to a specific date. So let's take a quick look at what we might do in a property to actually use this. So in this case, I have a days until renewal date property. It is this calculation property, and this is the new calculated property type. So we have time until, and today's date will automatically be filled. And then I can choose any date property in my HubSpot account to create a calculation that is relative to that date. And as we saw, you will then get the output of that, which is the difference between today's date and any date, which in this case is the renewal date. So we get days until the renewal date. And then we can also do days since if you want to do things like days since the record was created, days since the last specific event that you're logging in a different property as a date property. And then we can also do things like automate workflows based on those relative dates. So in this case, we have a renewal deal pipeline, and we want to automate the progression of deals through that pipeline as they get closer to their renewal dates. So we can do that by enrolling deals in this workflow when they have renewal dates or days until their renewal date that matches our specific criteria. So in this case, it's 30 days, 90 days, and then less than 30 as well. And then we're just going to branch based on those different criteria. So if this is more than 6 months out, then we're just going to be putting our deal in that stage by default, and then we're going to progress it from there. So 3 to 6, we're just going to set the pipeline stage to 3 to 6 months, 1 to 3, same thing, and so on and so on. Just make sure that you catch any data that is out of range. You could also, of course, extend this by adding specific actions, creating specific tasks, sending specific notifications or emails to customers as you're moving customers or accounts through your pipeline automatically. But the real thing to pay attention to is what is now possible using this relative date calculated property type inside of HubSpot. So in this case, time until is the one that we're using. If you found this useful, post lots of tips and tricks just like this one, lots of playbooks for go-to-market teams who are using HubSpot. So make sure you like and subscribe and keep an eye out for more videos. Thanks.